Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we're going to make broccoli rice fritters. All you're going to need is 1 head of broccoli, 1 small or 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 egg, flour, and we have rice here that we had left over. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is I had my block of cheese and I grated it up, or you can buy the cheese that's already grated. Then I took my 1 head of broccoli and I steamed it to where it's a soft steam, but yet it still holds its form. And then you're going to take it and do a rough chop on it. And then we have our rice that we've already cooked. And then we have our egg, and then we've got our flour. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add our rice to our cheese that we had left over from dinner yesterday. Okay, so we've got our rice in here, and it's already been cooled because we had it from yesterday. It's just left over, or you can make it fresh. It doesn't matter, but you just need to make sure it's cooled off a little bit. And then we're going to stir all this up together. Once we get this stirred, then we're going to add in our broccoli. Got that pretty well mixed. Okay, now we're going to add in our 1 head of broccoli that I steamed and rough chopped. We're going to add this to our bowl. And we're going to stir this together. And this is really a healthy snack if you want something to munch on. So we're going to do that, get this stirred in a little bit. And then after that, we're going to take 1 egg. We're going to add our egg in here. Got 1 egg. And the egg is going to be your binding agent. May need 2, but I'll check it with 1 and see what we got here, because we've got quite a bit of rice and broccoli and cheese. And we're wanting it to bind together, so we may need 1, maybe 2 eggs. Depending on how big your egg is. And these are mediums. Now, I'm taking a 1/2 cup of self-rising flour, and we're just going to sprinkle that in there as well. And we're just going to combine all this together without getting it everywhere. And yes, it looks like we're going to need 1 more egg. So bear with me. Let me grab another egg. Because we'll need to, because we have so much of our, between the cheese and the broccoli. So we're going to need 2 eggs for the binding. Because what we're going to do is we're going to take it over to a preheated cast iron skillet to... We're going to make little balls with it, or patties, I should say, and fry it up. I don't do much frying, so I just wanted to let you know you could do it either the fried, or you could take and put it in a toaster oven if you have a toaster oven, or an air fryer, and do it. And then once we get all this measure or cut in here, then we're going to get our spoon. Okay. And we're going to take it on over to the stove. Okay, what we've done is we have taken our broccoli, rice, cheddar fritters, and we've made them into little patties. And then we'll put them in a 350 oil, about 1.5 to 2 inches of grease. And you're just going to cook these until they're golden brown. Okay, we have our broccoli, rice, cheese fritters. They're a nice golden brown. The only thing we did to it was just add a little bit of salt and pepper to it to taste. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.